Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Calicut University registration number. You must first navigate to the official Calicut University online registration portal. Look carefully for the specific link designated for new student registration on the home page. Before you begin, always confirm you have a stable and reliable internet connection for a smooth process. This initial step is crucial for successful application. Once on the registration page, you will need to accurately fill out the extensive application form. Carefully enter all your personal information, like your name and date of birth, along with your complete academic history. Ensure your contact details, including a valid email address and an active phone number, are perfectly correct. Always take a moment to double-check every single field for any errors before moving forward in the process. Next, you will be required to upload scanned copies of various essential documents. Make sure these are prepared in the specific file format and resolution requested by the university. Typically, this includes your 10th and 12th grade mark sheets, a government-issued identity proof, and a passport-sized recent photograph. It is absolutely vital to strictly adhere to the specified file size, often around 50 to 100 kilobytes, and dimension requirements for each individual upload. After successfully filling the form and uploading documents, navigate to the payment gateway to complete your application fee transaction. The typical fee is around 500 rupees, but please verify the exact amount on the portal. You should use an approved payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or net banking option. Remember to save or print both the payment receipt and the final confirmation page carefully for your records, as these are very important.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.